Okay, so today I am doing an unboxing for these curriculum activities that I have. So it is from Timberdoodle. I am part of the blog team. It's been about, I think, 6 months, and they send me things to try to give a review, an honest review for my 2 kids. So I'm excited to open the box with you, and then we're going to start using it over the summer, and then I'll have some reviews at the end of the summer, and you can really see how it went for us. So welcome back to my channel, Homeschool in Paradise, and welcome if you're new. My name is Natalie. I have a 4 and a 6 years old. Sorry if I seem a little bit tired. I just finished work. I worked 7 hours. Has been a long day, but I really want to get this done because I want to open it and then start using it with my kids. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit. I've never really done an unboxing, so I don't know how it works. Okay, so all about feelings. This is with an emotion and flip book. So this, I mean, it says from age 3 and more. So my kids, and so they're 3 and 4. They're 4 and 6 is gonna work really well, and also because since we speak 3 languages, I know that they don't know all the languages for all of them. But he said you're gonna be talking about sad, happy, excited, embarrassed, surprised, scared, frustrated, angry, and then if we look inside, it's gonna have probably some talking about question. So when I feel sad, I can think about happy thing. And then sad prompt question for. So I'm excited to start using it with my kids for these one. I'll definitely use it for both of my kids. And then let's see. Next thing that we have is, okay, they put it together, but I know it's 2 different things. So let me just open it first. Okay. So I have this social skills activity for kids today. So this is for the age 6, 7. So my son, he's going to be using it. So it's going to be talking about just some activities for social skills. We'll see how this goes. Talking about your body. Some people may not tell you how they feel, but their body can show it. So yeah, we'll see how this goes to use it. So we'll use it over the summer and see. And then the next thing, the last, wow, I didn't think it was that big. Wow. It's a Wheel of a Time. So this is a funny poem for each day of the year. That's really nice. I really was not expecting a really big book like this. I'm probably going to take the flap out. I hate keeping it like it's so it always falls. I don't know if you're like me, I cannot, I keep it somewhere in my, but yeah. So Wheel of a Time, so it's gonna be 1 poem a day. So we have this Sing a Song of Season that we've been using this year for kindergarten, and then that one, I believe that's the poems that they have for the 1st grade. So my son is gonna be in 1st grade, so I'm excited to start using this. So those were the 3 things that they sent me. I'm gonna put the link below, and then just stay tuned for we use it, and then at the end of the summer when I do review on it. And then also I know I'm gonna have 2 more things that they're gonna send me. They just emailed me, and I think probably in the next 2 weeks I'm gonna have it. So maybe I'll just do a short video on that. So just wanted to do a quick video to show you, and let me know if you've ever used one of these, or if one of these items are interesting or you are interested for them, for you kids. Sorry, my brain is fried, so I'll go relax. So I'll see you next time. Bye.
No hubiera pensado que yo me iba a enamorar, jamás no quería saber nada más, nunca más. Pero vos apareciste de repente y me hablaste con una voz tan dulce que perdí la razón y mi corazón. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, que yo siempre de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Yo pensaba que esto del amor ya se me había pasado y que no era para mí nunca más. Pero el amor llega así, de esa manera, cuando uno menos se lo espera. Se abrió la puerta y sin pensar dejas entrar